Welcome back to another Quickie tutorial. Today's Quickie tutorial is all about handmade piping from bias tape. Can't find it in the right color or fabric? Make it! All you need is bias tape and cording in the same thickness you'd like your piping to be. Piping helps to add a sophisticated edge to any piece. If you need piping to match a certain fabric, you can make bias tape by cutting the fabric on its bias, or on the angle of the fabric. By folding the fabric corners over, creating an angle, you can cut strips on the bias, creating bias tape. From there, you can pin the angle ends together and create a seam line for one continuous strip of bias tape. To sew the piping, I like to use a zipper foot on my sewing machine to help keep the cording in place as I sew. Making sure the needle is directly beside the cording, smooth everything into place and begin sewing. Start slowly and help guide the bias tape and cording along. This is a smaller type of piping that I need for my project, but you can use any thickness of cording you need for your project. Here's a slightly bigger cording I've added to pink cotton bias tape. I used the entire length of a package of bias tape for this piping. I hope you all enjoyed this Quickie tutorial, and I hope this helps some of your sewing projects. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you're already subscribed, hit the notification bell to be alerted when I've uploaded a video. I'll be uploading a little more frequently this year, so stay tuned. See you next time.